Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say over our lives? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah will turn our life around. He will turn our life around. He makes a way where there's no way. Jehovah has the final say.
Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns my world around. He turns my health around. He makes a way where there's no way. Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns your life around for good. He turns our lives around. He makes a way where there's no way. Jehovah has the final. Do you know who has the final move? Jehovah has the final move. Who has the final cure? Jehovah has the final cure. Jehovah turns my life around. He turns your life around. He makes a way where there's no way. Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns our lives around. He turns our world around. He makes a way where there's no way. Jehovah has the final say.
Who have the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns the world around. Jehovah turns the world around. He makes a way where there is no way. Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns the world around. Jehovah turns the world around. He makes a way where there is no way. Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns the world around. Jehovah turns the world around. He makes a way where there is no way. Jehovah has the final.
Who are the final say? Jehovah is the final say. Who are the final say? Jehovah is the final say.
He turns the world around, around. He turns the world around, around. He makes a way when there's no way.
Jehovah is the final say.
Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns the world around. Jehovah turns the world around. He makes a way when there is no way. Jehovah has the final say.
Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns the world around. Jehovah turns the world around. He makes a way when there is no way. Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turns the world around. Jehovah turns the world around. He makes a way when there is no way. Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Jehovah turned the world around. He turns the world around. He makes a way when there seems no way. Jehovah has the final say.